Assalamu alaikum. Today's video I will let you know how to create a subdomain in Hostinger. After logging in your Hostinger panel, just select website list. Go to your website list from here that you wanna make the subdomain. So if I wanna make a subdomain in this domain, so I will click here dashboard. So after coming in dashboard, I will click on subdomains. I will get an option in the left sidebar. After domain, I will see subdomains. When I will click here, I will see an option to create subdomain. If I make test2 like 34 a subdomain, create custom folder for subdomain, and then that will be like this of test34 create. This is my subdomain. Okay, this is the way you can create your subdomain in Hostinger. So thank you.